Okay, what we've had going on here is a leak in the dishwasher. Once the cycle was complete, for some strange reason, it was leaking all over our floor. And we got underneath here, and we turned the actual valve off, which is here. It's all the way off. And that runs water from there to the dishwasher. And because we thought maybe it was coming through the sink, when it drains up here through the sink, we thought it was going from there into the dishwasher. And this is a learning curve for us, so we actually figured out that we have the Whirlpool Quiet Partner 4 series. If you push this button right here, it actually drained all the water out in the dishwasher, which we've been using these towels for the past 2 days trying to get water that was leaking out the sides when the door was up. It was leaking water all down here, and we were having to wring towels out, which was a real pain in the neck. And once we pushed the drain button, as you can see, now it's dry. There's no standing water in here whatsoever. And upon further examination, we noticed that right here, out of the side of the dishwasher, is a little trickle of water, which may be hard to see, but as you can see, it is slowly running. See it wetting the paper towel? See? It's coming in right in here. And we're going to make our most honest attempt at fixing that. Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that will tell you how to take this off, clean the drain, all that jazz. That is a good troubleshooting option. But if you're a novice like we are, I am definitely not an electrician, I'm not a plumber. When all else fails, power on and push drain. Take you about 2 minutes and the dishwasher will actually drain. Hope this video helps people that don't know how to read or that don't pay attention, which I oftentimes fall in that category. We'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching Riley Reckoning.